Hey friends, if you wish to download and install fonts from the Microsoft Store on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So search for Store in the Windows search bar and then go to the Microsoft Store. Now wait for it to load and then type fonts here. And then you will find a lot of fonts. These are all Microsoft fonts, the ones which look like this. So when you click on these, to be very sure, you can make sure that a Microsoft Corporation is written here, and then click on Get. And that is how you'll get a font on your system, and this will be incorporated with Microsoft products automatically. Otherwise, if you want to install fonts from third-party websites, you can do that. You will have to click on the installer after downloading it separately. So both options are available. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.